In this video, you are going to learn how to display hello world in CSS. Create a file here, index.html. Change the title to hello world in CSS. Create here a paragraph element. Give it a class hello world. Inside the head element, open a style element. Then use here CSS class selector hello world. In CSS, you have something called pseudo element. When you type double colons, then you see all the CSS pseudo elements. Here you have after and before. For example, we are going to use after. And here you have also content. And we set it to hello world. Color, for example, blue. Now inside this paragraph element, you have nothing. Save it and let us see the result. This is our HTML file. Double click to open it in your browser. Now here you see hello world. Let us give a default content for this HTML element. For example, Taylor Swift. Save it. Refresh the page. Now you see here Taylor Swift and then hello world. Refresh it.